Welcome back. Challenge Fund project was inaugurated as a part of one-year celebration of Modi government. The project is funded by the Union government. Maya would have a new look with the redo work. The project is expected to be completed before March.
एक चॅलेंज फंड म्हणून आमच्याकडे हो प्रोजेक्ट येयल्लो आहा जेचो डायरेक्ट 100% फायनान्स जो आसा तो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट करतलो. हेजो फर्स्ट फेज म्हणून 90 lakhs सँक्शन जाल्लेले आसा. सेकंड फेजान आनी 90 lakhs येवपाचे आसा.
The first and the basic work is relaying of services. So all these wires, electrical connections, new street lights, wherever the stormwater drains are silted or not working, there'll be new stormwater drains. Water supply lines which are FSR will be regularized, inspection chambers, etc. So basically all primary services, electricity, water, sanitation will be taken care of.
I believe this project will definitely improve the lives of आमच्या मळेकाराचे जे पळय जीवनमान आसा ते definitely बरें जातलें.
Tiatrists of Khui Asa tiatr were felicitated at Mapusa. Colin, Crasto and Robert de Calvim were felicitated for their outstanding performance in tiatr. They were felicitated by Lions Club of Mapusa and an Institute of Hotel Management. They are looking ahead for more tiatrs in Mapusa city.
आणि तुमच्या सगळ्या तोकड्यांनी खाताना तुमचे ताळीवर आमच्या मुली हे बरोबरशी
नॉबट आमच्या लायन्स क्लबाचो एक्स प्रेसिडेंट उदय नागपूर एलआयसी डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफिसर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ लायन्स क्लब करंट and next year I will be the president of Lions Club of Mapusa and I will tell you all next year I will have maximum conquering here in this world.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.